Hello, my name is Miss Bauer and I am a member of the Hinsdale Central Literacy Lab team. I also teach English 2 and English 2 Honors, and today I have the honor of teaching you about Notice and Note signpost number 3, which is called the again and again. So the again and again signpost occurs when authors repeat words, images, or events again and again throughout a text. Oftentimes, an author is doing this to establish a motif. And those are those again and again moments you need to be paying attention to as a reader, because ultimately those will help you to dig deeper when it comes time to analyzing the text. So an again and again example I can think of is in the movie Mean Girls. If you've ever seen Mean Girls, the main character is named Katie Heron, but as you can see on the screen, her name is spelled C-A-D-Y. So oftentimes throughout the film, people call her Caddy. And this is a moment that happens again and again, and again and again, and again and again throughout the film, because the author is trying to establish a motif of Katie being called the wrong name. And she's ultimately called the wrong name throughout the film because she isn't being true to herself. She's trying to fit in with the plastics. She's doing things she wouldn't normally do. And it isn't until the end of the movie where she stands up and goes, "Hey, I'm Katie," and actually starts being herself, that then she starts being called by her correct name. So it's a motif that happens again and again because it's ultimately leading to the overall theme in the movie of just be yourself. So as a reader, when you notice an again and again moment happening, you should be able to answer some key questions about those again and again moments as you continue through the text. Those questions would be, why might the author bring this up again and again? Or why does this keep happening again and again? As you start to notice those moments and as you start to take note of them, hopefully by the end of the text, you will realize that those again and again moments were happening because they were helping you to learn more about a character's motivation, or they were helping you to learn about the overall theme, the message that you were supposed to learn as you read through that text. So when you notice those again and again moments happening, make sure you pause, take note of them, see if you can answer the questions about why the author is choosing to bring it up again and again, or why do these things keep happening again and again. And ultimately, it should help you figure out why it was an important motif throughout the text. Thank you so much. We hope these are helping you. And if you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to a Literacy Lab team member, and we will try our best to help you.